Hi guys and welcome back. So today I'm going to be showing you how to make a Banoffee pie. So let's begin. To get started on the recipe, you'll want to grab yourself a food processor or a sandwich bag and place in your biscuits. If you're using a food processor, you'll want to blitz them down until they reach a fine sand kind of consistency. Or if you're using a sandwich bag, the same, but you'll want to use a rolling pin to smash the biscuits down into a fine crumb. Once you've got the biscuits into a fine crumb, you can then go ahead and add in the melted butter and incorporate that until it's fully incorporated. You will notice the mixture goes to more of a wet sand look, and this is what you're looking for. You can then take the biscuit mixture and place it all into your tart tin. You can then go ahead and just spread the biscuit around to cover the base, but then you'll want to start to compress it down and push it up the side so you have your case of sorts. And then you'll just want to keep doing that until you've got it pretty consistent around the edges and the base. It doesn't take very long, but once you start doing it, it starts to come together. Make sure it is compact, otherwise when you cut it, it will be very crumbly, and that's not what you're looking for. I also recommend chilling in the fridge for around 10 to 15 minutes, and we'll take it out of the fridge, and then you can place in your dulce de leche or caramel. I'm using a ready-made one, but feel free to make yours from scratch. It'll take a while, but hey, it's totally worth it. Then you can just spread the caramel around the base of your case and just get as level and consistent as you possibly can. You can then go ahead and start to place your banana on top of the caramel layer, and you'll want to do this as soon as you've spread the caramel out. You'll want to get as much banana in there as possible, well I do, as I like the combination of flavours. You can cut your bananas as thinly or as thickly as you like, it's completely up to you, but get as much in there as you possibly can, then chill in the fridge while you prepare the cream. For the cream, grab yourself a mixing bowl which has been chilled. I put mine into the fridge for around 15 minutes, and place in your double cream, icing sugar and vanilla extract, and then whisk together until fully combined. You'll notice when it's ready, the cream will start to hold its shape. Being careful not to over whip the cream, otherwise it will have a nasty granular mouthfeel which isn't pleasant. Don't forget to keep your eye on the cream, as it'll go from looking like it's not whipping up to all of a sudden being over whipped. I've been there, done that, trust me, it's not pleasant, and then you have to waste ingredients which isn't fun. Once you've got your cream, you can start to finally assemble the pie. So grab your pie from the fridge which has been chilled, and by this time it should have chilled for enough. Then you can place your cream on top. And again, you can pipe yours on, you can do it differently to me, but I'm just doing it very basically. And then you can just spread the cream all over the top, ensuring good coverage. Again, it's completely up to you how you finish it off. I have piped it in the past, but I thought to keep it simple just by spreading it out today. And then there's just one more step before we finish the pie off for good, and that is to sprinkle over some grated chocolate. I've just got some dark chocolate from the lovely people over at Olive Nation and grated it all over the top of the pie. Because it's fresh cream, you'll want to eat this within 24 hours of making. So if you can make the base, the filling and everything just before, but I always recommend eating within 24 hours. You can then go ahead and cut yourself a generous portion. Again, you've put all the time and effort into it, so why not? You know, you might as well enjoy it. So thank you so much for watching, I hope you enjoyed. If you did, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more from me, and I'll be back again very soon with another recipe for you, so join me then. In the meanwhile, don't forget to check out the description, there'll be a link to this recipe, a link to my blog and links to all of my social media, so don't forget to go and follow me over on there. But that's all for today, I hope you enjoyed, bye guys.